So student, hello everyone. Now chapter 5, next exercise 5E we are going to start this very properly. Okay, if you don't learn the table then you can't do the exercise and you will make mistakes. So before doing the exercise, please learn the table one by one. Okay, now we are going to start our exercise 5E. Now see, count by 4s from 4 to 40. Count backwards by 4s from 40 to 4. So just like that you have done before the questions, just like that only you have to count the table of 4. See now, write it. 4 1s are 4. It is written 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 4 8 are 32, 4 9 are 36 and 4 10 are 40. Okay, just write very neatly and make the boxes like this only. Okay, here it is no space, so it is having problem for me to write like this. So you write very neatly and properly. Just like this, here down what you have to do, you have to count backward. Okay, so you will count it like, see, 40, 4 9s are 36, 4 8s are 32. Okay, 4 7s are 28. Okay, just do it very properly. Okay, don't forget any number. 4 6 are 24, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. See, I am doing very slowly because it can make mistakes. So do it very properly and slowly. Okay, so don't make any mistake. Okay, you can write from here also, no problem. Okay, write from here and reach up to 40. Now next question. See, write the product. Okay, write the product means you have to multiply. You have to count the table of 4 in each number and write the answer. See, 4 6 are how much? 24. 4 1s are 4. It is written. 4 9s are how much? 36. 4 zeros are how much? 0. Okay, we are not doing plus or minus, we are multiplying. Okay, so in multiply 4 zeros are always 0. 4 8s are 32. 4 10s are 40. Okay, so this way you have to write the answer in these. Now next question is, square has 4 corners. Okay, we can make, see, a big square we can make. Okay, just see here, it is a square. It has 4 corners. Corner means this. Cone is 1 2. This is right. 2 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so a square has 4 corners like this, 1 2 3 and 4. How many corners do 7 squares have? Okay, if one square has 4, so 7. See here, how many squares are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So if like this, one square has, how you will write? One square has 4 corners. Okay, you can do it like this for practice. One square has 4, so 7 square have how many corners? We will multiply 7 into 4 and the answer will be 7 4s are 28. Okay, यानी कि 1 स्क्वायर में 4 होंगे तो 7 स्क्वायर में ज़्यादा होंगे. So we will multiply 7 into 4. It will be 28. How much? What? 28 corners. Okay. Now see next question. How many wheels are there in 5 cars? See, you can see cars are there 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now you tell in one car how many wheels are there? In one car, how many wheels are there? 4. Okay. Every car has 4 wheels. So 5 cars, what you will do? 4 into 5. Okay, you will multiply. And what you multiply? Write like this. 4 5s are 20. So it will be 20 wheels. Okay, one car has 4 wheels. So 5 cars will be 4 into 5. It will be 20 wheels. Okay, so hope it is clear to you. What you will do? One car has 4 wheels. So 5 car will be 4 into 5 equals to 20 wheels. Hello everyone, now we are going to start our new exercise chapter 5, that is 5F. So I have told before also, before doing the exercise you have to learn the table. Okay, every and each table you have to learn very nicely. So in this we will use the table of 5. See the first question. First question is count by 5s from 5 to 50. Count backward by 5s from 50 to 5. So same as it is you have to do, just you have done in before last exercise, just you have done in previous exercise, same you have to do. The table of 5 you have to write here. So 5 1s are 5 is given, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45 and 5 10 are 50. So hope it is clear. We have to write the table nicely in the each blank. Now from backward we will count. Can start from here. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. Okay, 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. So now your table is written in the backward form also. So hope it is clear for you. Now we will start question number 2. Complete the multiplication table. So this question you have done before also. Okay, the question you have done before, same as it is. I am explaining it here only. So you can see 5 we have to multiply by 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, all the number from 0 to 10. Okay, so first we can do here only. So you draw, when you draw in copy you have to draw proper circle and make the numbers like this, and write numbers like this very neatly. Okay, so we can do here only. 5 1s are 5. We can write 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. It is written. 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. Okay, hope it is clear to you. So students, do it very nicely and write the number in the given blank only. Okay. 3. See the question. There are 5 stars on a badge. Okay, see, you can see in a badge there are 5 stars on a badge. Okay, you can see a monitor badge, or the badge is put on some officer, police officer या किसी भी ऑफिसर पर लगाया जाता है. तो okay, so this is a single badge. It has only 1 star. Okay, so there is a badge on which there are how many stars? 5 stars. Okay, then how many stars are there in 3 such badges? So in 3 badges, in 1 badge equals to 5 star, then 3 badges, what it will be? It will be 5 into 3. So we will write here 3 into 5. Okay, the number we are multiplying should be down and the another number should be up. Okay, the number we are multiplying, it should be down and another number should be up. So we will multiply 5 3s are 15. So number of stars will be 15. Okay. Now next question. 5 toffees in 1 rupee. How many toffees in 4 rupees? So somebody buys 1 rupee. How many toffees? So 4 rupees mein how many toffees? How many toffees will come? So we will multiply 5 into 4. Okay. So we will write here 4 multiplied by 5. It will be 5 4s are 20. Okay, the number we are multiplying means the 5. Okay, it should be down and the another number should be up. Okay, hope it is clear. So in 4 rupees he will buy 20 toffees.